Today I'm going to be walking you through a super fun makeup look for the 4th of July using all SeneGence products. So the first thing I do is put Candlelight ShadowSense all over the base of my eyelids, and this is just going to cancel out any blue veins that you have in your lids and give you a nice base to work with. And then next I'm going to take our Denim ShadowSense, and I'm going to be applying that to the outer corners of both eyelids. The one nice thing about our ShadowSense is that it's super buildable. It's a cream to powder eyeshadow that is really blendable, so that if you find you need to go a little bit darker, you can just keep adding on color and blending as you go. So that's the key here. You just want to make sure that you keep adding and blending until you get the right look that you're looking for. Okay, next I'm going to add the red to the inner corner of my eyes, and I took Cherry BlushSense and mixed it on a palette ring with just a little bit of Blu-Red LipSense to get a deeper red color. And I'm just taking a small flatter brush and kind of spreading this out on the inner corner as I go. And you'll notice I keep adding more as well to build up that nice rich red color. And here you'll notice I'm taking a little bit of a fluffier, softer brush just to kind of soften up those harsh edges around the red borders. Because the LipSense is a fast drying lip color compared to the ShadowSense, you're going to notice you're going to get a little bit harsher of lines. So you just want to soften those up. Okay, and next I'm adding Snow ShadowSense to the middle with a shorter, flatter brush. And I'm just spreading that out as I go. And again, you can keep adding more to kind of get more of that really nice, high impact, bright white color. And then again, you're just going to want to I took that same brush that I was blending out the Denim ShadowSense and just softened up the edges around the white to kind of make it blend like really nicely with the other two colors. Next I'm going to take the Sigma E30 pencil brush and take that same red color and just come right underneath my lash line to give that real nice pop of color, and then I'll come back in with the denim as well on the outer edges. And here I'm actually taking the denim and just deepening up my corners even more to really make everything pop. And I just think it ties the whole look really nicely together. Okay, now I'm going to use Ocean EyeSense which is a really nice, just sparkly blue eyeliner. It's a liquid liner. It's not going to go anywhere all day. It's smudge-proof, budge-proof, waterproof, so perfect for the 4th of July. It's just a gorgeous color and perfect for this look. Okay, now I'm going to have a little fun here and get creative. I decided I wanted to do 3 little stars along the side of my eye, and I'm just using Snow ShadowSense again, which is our white shadow, and I'm using a very small, tiny nail art brush to do the stars. Okay, now I'm going to apply our LashSense, which is our black waterproof mascara. Again, it's budge-proof, smudge-proof. It's not going to go anywhere all day, so it's perfect. But I am going to be applying some fake eyelashes on top of this, so I just wanted to give my own lashes a nice base coat before I do so. Okay, onto the lips. So for the blue color, I'm using our Skyline LipSense, and I'm only going to be applying it on 1/2 of my lip. And so I'm just doing my first layer here, and then I'm going to let that dry. And for the red color, I went with Blu-Red LipSense, and so I'm applying that first layer to the other half of my lip. And with LipSense, you want to make sure that you're always making sure you shake up your color really well before you apply, so that all your color pigmentation is getting nice and evenly distributed. Okay, once that's dry, you're going to go ahead and add your second layer. So with LipSense, you always need 3 layers. So I'm just going to add my blue and red second layer here, and then I'll move on to the 3rd layer. Okay, once you're sure that your lips are nice and dry, you're going to go ahead and add the white color to the middle of your lips. So I decided to use Snow ShadowSense, and I'm just going to apply it to the middle part of my lip and use my fingertip to kind of spread that out and blend it, and it gives it a nice like feathered blended out look. And then I'm going to go ahead and add Silver Shimmer ShadowSense to the top of that as well, because it gives it a nice shine and really makes it pop. Now the ShadowSense will take a little bit longer to dry than LipSense does, but once that's all completely dry, I like to add Icicle LipSense on top of that. Icicle is our clear lip sense, and what that'll do is that'll seal in the ShadowSense that's on top of your lips, and then you can go ahead and put your gloss on top of that. And I decided to top it all off with silver glitter gloss just to give this look a little bit of sparkle for the holiday. And I will say the best part about this whole look is that it's all smudge-proof, fudge-proof, waterproof, food-proof. You can eat with this look on and you don't have to worry about any of your makeup budging all day. So I hope you had a great time watching this tutorial, and if it was helpful, I'd love it if you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon.